Hello everyone. Today this recipe mushroom cheese semi-grate. Now I am going to tell you what are the ingredients will be need for this recipe. Mushroom, button mushroom 200 gram, small onion as required for up to 100 gram, green chilies 3, cinnamon stick, cloves, cashew nut for 25 grams, pepper, curd 2 all-purpose spoon, ghee as required, finally cheese and salt as required. Now I am going to make mushroom cheese gravy. Before that, pour the ghee, allow to heat. After, add the cinnamon stick, cloves, pepper, small onion and green chilies. After add the green chilies, just saute for 3 minutes. It's enough to saute. So after 3 minutes, you can add the cashew nut. Just again saute for 2 minutes. Now switch up the stove, allow to cool, then take one jar, add these ingredients with 2 all-purpose spoon curd added. Now grind well. So paste is ready, just keep it aside. Now add the ghee. After add the ghee, you can add the mushroom. Mushroom should be washed. Okay. You can cut legs. Now add the mushrooms. So allow to cook at least 8 minutes. Now you can add the salt 1 spoon. Then again just mix it well. Already I told allow to cook 8 minutes. Okay. So now it's ready. Now add the paste. So after add the paste, you just mix it well. You can check the seasoning for salt. Okay. This recipe is no need to add more ingredients. So now check the seasoning. If you want to add this salt, you just add the salt. So now seasoning already checked. Now add the cheese. After add the cheese, you can mix it well until dissolve this cheese. Okay, just mix it continuously. Until dissolve this cheese. So after dissolved, this recipe is going to end. So now 70 to 80% dissolved. So balance is there. You just mix it continuously until dissolved. So now mushroom cheese semi gravy is ready. This recipe is going to good taste with chapati and roti. Thanks for watching. If anybody not subscribed me, just subscribe my channel. Thanks once again.